Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. Hey, I've just got another little thing I wanted to discuss with you today. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. It's been a great day for me too. So that being said, I'd like to talk a little bit about granite and solid surfaces. So granite is still a very popular choice for countertops. We sell it all the time. People really like it. Another great option is quartz and things like that. So one thing to keep in mind with granite is usually it's sold either by like a centimeter on thickness. So there's 2 cm and there's 3 cm, okay? And so more often than not, we do 3 cm nowadays because that can actually sit straight on the top of the cabinet, so you don't need to put any plywood or anything down. The other thing too that you can do with granite too, which is kind of fun, what we did here is if you look really closely, we laminated the edge here. So this is actually 3 centimeters, and then we add another edge there, and it makes it look twice as thick, which is kind of a nice added thing that you can do with granite. In this case right here, here we go, close up. This is what we call a chiseled edge, and it's just kind of a fun way to do something a little bit more different along the edge as we kind of make it chiseled, and we smooth it just a little bit, but not all the way, so it still kind of has that rustic fun thing. So the other thing too is it kind of brings out, you can see like the mica and different parts of the granite in there. But granite is still a great choice. It lasts a long time. It's really quite pretty, and it adds beauty to the home. A couple other things to keep in mind. It's important to make sure that you have your granite sealed. We recommend maybe once a year or so. That just helps keep things doing really well. And this particular granite color right now is really popular, and we sell a lot of it as well. But just remember, it comes in 2 cm, 3 cm. We recommend 3 cm, just tends to do a little bit better. You can laminate the edges and things like that and make it look even better. But and then this chiseled edge is kind of a fun option. You can do lots of different edges and treatments, and from rounding to bullnose to lots of different other things. So, but yeah, we do sell granite here at Capell Flooring, and if you're interested, or in quartz, that's another thing we can do too. Please feel free to give us a shout out. If you have any questions, just let me know and I will answer it for you, okay? So thanks and have a wonderful day.